Lamacala ngama-25 abhekene noMatlala nabanasolwa nabo ahlanganisa ukuzama ukubulala, ukukhwabanisa, ukushushumbisa imali nokutholakala nezibhamu ezingekho emthethweni. uMatlala usolwa ngokucija itule labhuntsha lokubulala wabe intombi yakhe uTebogo Thobejane, isikhulu samatekisi uJosi Banyoni kanye nomdidiyeli womculo owaziwa ngelika DJ Vettys.
On behalf of accused number 3, these pleas are in accordance with my instructions on all the charges preferred against him as per the indictment. The accused vehemently denies his involvement in any of the allegations set out in the charges.
Ngokwesitatimende esifungelwe sikaTebogo Thobejane, uMatlala kunesizathu sokuthi azame ukumbulala ngenxa yolwazi ayenalo ngaye.
She further alleges that she knew incriminating information which could give accused number 3 a motive to kill her. She further states that accused number 4 may also have a motive to do her harm.
Umbuso ufuna abasolwa bagwetshwe udilika jele ngecala lokuzama ukubulala uma betholakala benecala.
The state has preferred to charge you with the crimes of attempted murder read together with the provisions of Section 51, subsection 1 of Act 105 of 1997, which prescribes, in the ordinary course of business, the imposition of life imprisonment.
Amaphoyisa athi awangabazi ukuthi anecala eliphathekayo enkantolo elibhekise kubasolwa.
We are quite confident that the information and the evidence that we have gathered will ensure lengthy convictions for those that are found guilty.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo kusasa.